Hi guys, welcome back to the Nordic Watch channel. In this video, quick guide on how to change the strap on a Casio F91W watch using just household items like a SIM card removal tool. So the strap in the Casio F91W is held in place with this kind of pin, and it's a pin that is tapered on one side and not tapered on the other side. So this will only come out one way. And what you're gonna do is take your tool of liking and you're gonna look at the strap and see the direction of the arrow and push the pin in that direction. So insert your tool in these pin holes and just push. And that's gonna make the pin come out. And now your strap is loose. Same thing on this side. Look at the arrow, push in that direction, and your pin comes out. Simple as that. Then take your new strap, and the side with the buckle comes on the top side, so put it in place. And now you're gonna look at your pin, and you're gonna have to put the tapered side in first, and now you're gonna do it in the opposite direction of the arrow. So tapered side in, push, and finish it off with your tool. You can also use a paper clip for this if you don't have this kind of tool. Same thing on the other side, like so. My Casio is a bit worn out, so it just slides in easily like that. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Really simple procedure. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. And also, if you have any questions, I try to answer all comments, so write your comment down below and I'll be sure to answer. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.